Hello students, now we are moving to the end of the chapter. Today we will talk about our Indian freedom fighters. So students, you know who are the freedom fighters? They are the person who fights for the country, for their independence, for their people to have their own rights, okay? As you know, our India was ruled by British government before the independence. But due to sacrifices and their services and sacrifices and hardships of such freedom fighters, we got the independence on 15th August 1947. So we celebrate every year this day as a Independence Day. So let's talk about such a great freedom fighters of India. Let's first talk about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875 in Gujarat, a small village of Gujarat. He was called the Iron Man of India. He was popularly known by this name because of his hard work and intelligence. Students, he was afterwards a senior leader of the Indian National Congress. He started so many movements. He became India's first deputy prime minister. He was a great man and played a great role in the independence of India and after the independence of India. Subhash Chandra Bose. He was called Netaji. He was born in Kolkata. He was a great freedom fighter of India. He played an important role and he was an important leader of Indian independence. He played an important role in Indian nationalist as an Indian nationalist and his patriotism towards the India made him a hero. During the World War II, he had a contribution to get rid of British rule from the India.
Next great leader is Lala Lajpat Rai. Here you can see Lala Lajpat Rai is a good nationalist leader. He played an important role in India's struggle. Do student you know he was known by Punjab Kesari. उनका दूसरा नाम था Punjab Kesari. He was with his other two members of Indian National Congress fought for the freedom. They are Bal Gangadhar Tilak and बिपिन चंद्र पाल. भगत सिंह वो बहुत ही छोटी उम्र में बहुत क्रांतिकारी विचारों वाले थे. He was born in a Sikh Jat family on 27th September 1907 in a farm. जब वो टीनेजर में थे, मतलब कि वो जब छोटे थे 12, 13, 14 ईयर्स के थे, he studied European revolutionary movement. Okay, students, in which he had studied Karl Marx, which we have studied in this chapter already. तो कार्ल मार्क्स ने जो मार्क्सिज्म दिया था उससे वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रभावित थे और उनके सिद्धांतों को उनको अपना आदर्श मानते थे. वो ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ क्रांतिकारी थे और उन्होंने he attacked on Indian Assembly a bomb at the age of 23 and it made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. वो हंसते हंसते देश के लिए फांसी पे चढ़ गए थे, इसीलिए उन्हें शहीद भगत सिंह कहा जाता है. बाल गंगाधर तिलक. His name was Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. He was an Indian nationalist. Student, he was a good teacher. सोशल रिफॉर्मर, मतलब समाज में उन्होंने बहुत से चेंजेस लाए थे. ही वॉज अ लॉयर एंड इंडिपेंडेंस एक्टिविस्ट. ही वॉज द फर्स्ट लीडर ऑफ द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट. वो एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एडवोकेट थे स्वराज मूवमेंट के. स्वराज मीन्स सेल्फ रूल, हमारा अपना देश, हमारे अपने अधिकार, उसके लिए उन्होंने लड़ा था. बिफोर गांधी ही वॉज द मोस्ट वाइडली नोन इंडियन political leader.